and Banjara Toastmasters Club. The theme of today is a spark become a flame, a fire. Now there have been many instances in my life when I tried to do something new, something different, but people around me said, it's not your piece of cake, stay away from it. I refrained and I thought people are right. But gradually I understand something, that it is actually a force of people telling you that you cannot do something right. So when you realize your worth, when you realize your potential, you can have a different opinion. You have to give a try. So I have given my try on various occasions and I have become successful. So it is about carrying up from the spark. The world has many great people, and the person who inspires me to do something beyond my comfort zone or to carry the momentum from spark is a famous tennis player, Novak Djokovic. We all know him that he started playing tennis at the age of 4. When he was 6-year-old, he used to watch a tennis match holding the fence, holding the grills of a fence and watching Jelena Jančić, a famous Serbian player, conducting a summer camp in the mountain ranges of Kopaonik. So what happened next? It was a routine activity for him to be going there every day, holding the grill of the fence and watching the practice being happening for about 2 to 3 hours. One day she called him there, asked him, hey, what's your name? He said, Djokovic. Would you like to be a part of it? Would you like to practice along with us? He said, yes, it is what I'm waiting for. So he had a spark. He thought of playing so well, and right now he is a current number 1. So it is about captivating. Do not let the flame die in your heart. Take it forward. We all need to make it a fire. Moving forward, we have someone among us. If you spend some time with him, you will feel enlightened. He has the knowledge of the world. He is a great speaker. He works with Bloomberg as a training journalist, and he is the president of this term. Please welcome Cherian Thomas.